Good day, sir. I'm Aldemidi Spiritu from BSN 3-2, and now I'm going to do the return demonstration to test the bicep and tricep reflex. So the goal of the bicep reflex is to examine the function of spinal cord level C5 and C6. So the first thing we need to do is to build a rapport with the patient to ensure or reassure if there are presence of pain and numbness in an upper extremities as well as the onset of aggravating or alleviating factors. Next is we're going to prepare the client and prepare the necessary materials including the percussion hammer. So after that, we're going to explain the procedure to the client and describe it. So, good day, ma'am. I'm Laudemedi Spiritu from student nurse from Aslayan University, Philippines. So, I'm here po today to perform a test of bicep reflex with you po in order to know if it is functioning well po. Would be that okay to you, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay po. So, ma'am, may I know your name po?
I'm Melinda Espiritu.
Your birthday po, ma'am?
May 10, 1965.
Okay po. So now I'm going to close the door and the windows in order to provide the client's privacy. So do a hand job in order to prevent the spreading of microorganisms. So now we're going to proceed. So kunin natin partially flex. Then using the percussion hammer, ilalagay ko yung thumb ko dito sa arm ni ma'am. Then, we're going to observe for slightly flexion. Okay. So now we're going to test the tricep reflex, which the goal of this is to examine the function of spinal cord level C7 and C8. Hanapin natin. Okay. So, ma'am, we're done na po with our assessment. So, wala naman po kayo naramdamang masakit o discomfort po during our assessment. Sige po, ma'am. So, after securing the patient's safety and comfort, so we're going to document all the findings and evaluate for the detailed procedure and describe the reflex responses appropriately based on the scale for grading reflex responses and report for significant deviation from normal to the physician. And I'm Aldemedi Spiritu from BSN 3-2.